Welcome back. Former Tourism Minister and Banauli MLA Mickey Pacheco will now contest from Nuve constituency. His good friend Lyndon Montero is confident that Mickey will get a ticket to contest from Nuve as he is the senior most NCP leader in the state.
Mickey is firmly with the NCP and Mickey will contest the Nuve Assembly constituency seat on the NCP ticket. In fact, he has already informed his high command about his desire to contest from Nuve, and I am sure when it comes to distribution, if there is a seat sharing with the Congress, I am sure the NCP high command will take note of the same and accordingly accommodate Mickey from Nuve.
12th December is Mickey Pacheco's birthday. A special committee has been formed to celebrate his birthday. Zilla Panchayat member Nelly Rodriguez is heading the committee. She informed us that Mickey will be felicitated at the hands of NCP leader Praful Patel and film star Neha Dupia.
Felicitate Mickey at the hands of Neha Dupia will be a film star. We are also expecting that Praful Patel will come for the... We have also invited him, and most of the invitees from the NCP party and other parties and all his workers and supporters will also be attending this felicitation, where he will be launching a good number of mega projects for the welfare of people.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut. MGP has decided to go on its own in the forthcoming assembly election. Newly elected president of the MGP, Deepak Daurikar, said that MGP is the oldest regional party, hence they will not have coalition with anyone. MGP will begin their election campaign from January in 10 constituencies. The party is a coalition partner in the current ruling arrangement.
MG फुडे कशे 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी कशे किने पक्ष घट करपाक काम करतले तुम्ही?
माझ्या याच्याप्रमाणे जो पहिली आम्ही 10 मतदारसंघ घेऊन आता जानेवारीच्यान आम्ही काम सुरू करतले आणि फुडे कसो प्रतिसाद मेळटा लोकां कडल्यान त्याचे वयल्यान आम्ही फुडले 40 मतदारसंघात आम्ही कितें करपाचे ते आम्ही ठरयतले.
खंयचे 10 मतदारसंघ जे आता तुम्ही पहिल्या टप्प्यान सुरू करतले काम?
आम्ही पहिल्या टप्प्यात आमचे काम ऑलरेडी चालू झाले आसा. पोंडा तालुक्यातले 4 मतदारसंघ, बिचोलीचे 2 मतदारसंघ, त्याशिवाय पेडणे आसा, काणकोण आसा, सावर्डे आसा.
त्याच बरोबर किने कोएलिशन बीन कशें करपाचें किने हाजेर बीन तुमचो विचार बीन चल्ला की नाही?
आणि आम्ही तर कोणाकडे कोएलिशन करतले हे तर आम्ही ठरवत ना, ती आमची समिती ठरयतली. तरी पूण म्हज्या स्पष्ट हें आसा की आम्ही कोणाकडेच कोएलिशन करता आनी एकदां स्वतंत्र निवडणुकी उतरून जनतेचो कौल घेवपाची म्हजी एक पर्सनल हें आसा.
तुम्ही किने पहिलीच बीन कॅन्डिडेट अनाउन्स करतले किंवा कॅन्डिडेट सोदूंक नव्या चेहऱ्यांक तुम्ही फुडें हाडटले, कशें किने तुमचें आसतलें फुडें?
चडांत चड करून नव्या युवकांक आमी प्रोत्साहन दितले आनी निवडणुकीक 6 म्हयने आसा म्हणल्यार आमच्या प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर जातलो.
A principal correspondent Murari Shethe with video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
Management of Drishti has clarified that they will not be able to fulfill any demand of the lifeguards. However, they claim that most of the lifeguards have resumed their work. The Drishti management has terminated 54 trainees and have issued show cause notices to the lifeguards on strike. Drishti lifeguards are on strike from Monday. The lifeguards have demanded a hike in their salaries. However, the CEO of Drishti said that they are giving satisfied salary to the lifeguards. He also said that the management cannot fulfill the demands put forth by the lifeguards as they have a contract with the government.
Now they have come down to a single item demand that they are being paid only 605,000 per month, whereas they want 10,000 rupees. Unfortunately or fortunately, they haven't given the true picture. These boys get 6,500 on induction, and thereafter they get a raise of 5% and they get an annual bonus, and boys get promoted. So we have 35 beach captains who are getting more than 8,500, and we have about 14 supervisors who are getting 12 to 14,000. Then we have zonal charges who are getting up to 25,000 rupees per month. Okay. So we do not feel that their demands can be met by us because we have a government contract. It's a government contract. These boys are also given a lot of facility.
The management has already issued a show cause notice to the lifeguards on strike and terminated 54 trainees. Kanwar further mentioned that most of the lifeguards have resumed work and they want to join, but they are held back. The lifeguards on strike were unavailable for comments and some were perplexed over the matter. At the same time, a minor boy was rescued by lifeguards at Kalangut beach on Friday. A reporter in Kalangut, Shamsundar Fatte and Laukik Shilkar. Bicholi police have successfully managed to apprehend 2 persons selling ganja and charas at Bicholi bus stand. The duo arrested are migrants. The drugs confiscated amounts to 50,000 rupees. Nasir Ahmed from Karnataka and Ramjuddin Rehman from Assam are in the police custody at present. Bicholi police were in search of these alleged drug sellers from a long time. They laid a trap and arrested 2 persons. Nasir Ahmed from Karnataka was caught red-handed selling ganja of 462 grams worth rupees 45,000. On the other side, Ramjuddin Rehman was caught selling charas of 382 grams worth 5,000 rupees. Police informed that the arrested were from the labor class. They were arrested at Bicholi bus stand. DYSP of Bicholi, Boswet De Silva, informed that the drug sellers are in the police custody and their interrogation is on.
दोन्ही केस रजिस्टर केल्ले आहाय, तपास काम चालू आसा आणि तेंचे कडल्यान आमी बाकीची माहिती काडटाय. सध्या मेळ्ळ्या त्या प्रमाणे हेंचे ते डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हे लेबर क्लासी मध्ये तशें आणि हे म्हणटाय कितें अशें तो लोक येताच म्हणून घेवन बारीक बारीक क्वॉन्टिटी रिमांड घेतले ते दोगी कस्टडीन आहा ते रिमांड घेतलेलो आहा मेळोंक ना हे आमकां माहिती सुद्दां मेळ्ळ्या ती इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळेलें मायग्रंटां कडच्यानूच लोकलचे इनवॉल्वमेंट ना हातून आणि हे दोगी पळोवपाक गेल्यार ते लेबर क्लास अशे.
A reporter in Bicholi, Uday Parab. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.